Oh, you're gonna turn. Oh yeah, that's cool. No, I didn't know you can turn it around.
It's like.
It's the way you just went. Because I mean, how is that possible? How's she gonna turn? You just went. Oh yeah, are you ready?
I
You just twisted it. Right.
Oh my god.
This side,
Yeah.
Don't laugh this time. Be serious. Be serious. Right. Ready? Wait.
You're like, don't laugh.
Because you're gonna.
Stop.
You're
Not
funny.
no, it's.
You know how I thought you were gonna be? I thought you were gonna be like what's the
You can tell. No.
Ida told me to shut up, so
Who told you?
Ida told me.
Ida told you
to
what?
shut up, so I'm gonna be quiet and keep my mouth closed.
You're gonna do what?
I'm gonna keep my mouth closed.
Sorry?
Oh, you don't understand my English? Okay.
And then like this.
Yeah, oh, I do not like that.
I'm like, so cool.
No.
Guys, I have to tell you something.
No.
This is like so cool. I'm here with Junior.
I don't like that.
Like it.
Oh, hi everybody that's watching this video.
No, tell me, okay.
After this video, her GoPro got broken, so make sure you just
What?
make sure you send her money to donate money to her so she can buy a new one. So this GoPro, I'm gonna break it after she makes this video.
What? Why?
Because Ida making fun of me.
No, I'm like seriously just genuine.
And she thinks she's cooler than everyone else because she has a GoPro on a stick.
It's a selfie stick.
It's a selfie stick, yes.
Everything. He's
No
showing
problem.
you like everything.
I know it's so great. Just make sure you pay all the money into my account by tomorrow. Otherwise, I will have to get the police involved. It's been great working with you. Great working with
And
you.
also like for the pictures, do I have to pay you for the pictures?
£50
Each
picture, yeah. And also the time we wasted while we were laughing or you were making fun of me, yeah. I'm charging for that as well.
Yeah. So you like, I saved your life and then you really saved mine.
No, this is what happened, yeah. She was about to cross the road. I know, wait, let me start. I was about to cross the road and I almost died, but she pushed me and pulled me back.
Pushed you? I didn't push you. I didn't push you.
She's lying. Anyway, she pulled me back and then after my life was saved. Then it was her turn, yeah, to get run over. Then I saved her life.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Junior.
You didn't even remember my name, so I don't know why you say that. Juniror.
Wait, what is your name?
Huh?
Huh? Don't say huh, say pad.
Oh,
I know.
Now you know.
That's so rude.
You're so rude. I think it's time for me to go now.
Bye.
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 Stay tuned.
See you. See you.
I like this.
You're showing off now. You're like, show off. Show off. He's such a show off. Oh no, stop.
I'm just lifting my.
You're just stretching legs.
No, I'm not stretching. I'm just lifting my weights.
Okay. Do you wanna like put it behind so it's like comfortable?
I'm not just like.
I like that.
Put it here like a neck.
Okay. Behind now. Shut up! What you doing?
It's just like down.
Really? What?
I know this girl.
You just scared me like. Oh, you do? Who that? Oh shit.
Long hair, short hair. Well, I don't care.
What?
I always like her photos anyway, so I don't think I need to.
No, you don't.
I do. I do.
No, you don't.
Fine, I'm just gonna follow you now.
What?
I'm gonna go.
What? What? You tried it. You're like, gotcha. Yeah.
Unfollow button almost got hit, guys. I'm not gonna do it because I'm a nice person. Psych. I forgot. that cool?
I can put my legs like this. I can put my legs like this.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, it's just like that. Like something. It's not like something. It's not like I'm not the two.
Oh. You have to turn this way, you have to turn this way like that. This way, yeah, yeah. This way. Okay. Yeah, 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 that way, that way. This shoulder goes out. Okay, yeah, this way. You're making it. Why is it so silly? Yeah? That's not fair. You just gave me some. You're like, oh, sorry, this is rice, but I have to do a split. Yeah, wait, yeah. Oh shit, that moves. That's good. Wait, ready? Wait. Yeah. Now grab your foot for you. Like that.
Thank you.
You look so sick. Everyone's like, look at these freaks. What are you doing?
Just hold. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, hello.